Hi, in today's video we will see how using BK AI I can directly import my purchase bills. So if I am having any invoice or any purchase bill issued to me from my supplier, I can directly import that transaction now in Bookkeeper software just by uploading the PDF or image of that file. So let us understand how it works. All you have to do is just go to this new option of BK AI available in the latest version 8.2.2. You can go to this option and go to option of upload scanned invoice AI. As you click on this window, a window will appear where you can upload or scan your purchased bill. Just go to this option and here it will ask you to upload the file. Wherever your purchase bill PDF file is there or image file is there up to 5 MB, you can upload that file which your supplier has issued, and then after selecting your file it will show you a message that each bill consumes around 3000 AI tokens. Now what is AI tokens? AI tokens are basically uh, it's a term which can be linked to number of words in your invoices. So for example, let's say my supplier has issued me a bill, I have that PDF or I have that handwritten bill, I have the image file. So approximately for every 75 words in your purchase bill, 100 AI tokens will get consumed. By default in Bookkeeper, we are providing to every user 3000 tokens to try out this feature. This feature can be used by person who is on silver plan, gold plan or diamond plan. Just the only condition is that your company should be on BK Web. In BK Web, you can use this BK AI feature, and according to the conversion, you can use the AI tokens and upload your purchase bills from supplier and directly get them entered in Bookkeeper software. If your AI tokens are consumed, you can buy them further according to your requirement to continue using this option. So I just have to click on yes option now. The moment I click on AI, yes option, AI will analyze my bill which I have uploaded and I'll click on OK option. Then all I have to do is just click on this option of get uploaded invoices. The moment I click on get uploaded invoices, you will notice that a new window has appeared which has automatically fetched all the information. It has gathered my supplier name, it has gathered the supplier's voucher number, date, invoice amount, everything. What is the supplier registration number? Everything is coming automatically. I just have to click on the generate option and then I will do mapping. What is the name of the supplier in my database, in my supplier list? So I will just map the supplier name. For example, let's say in my books I have created the account by the name of supplier A. So I will map this account. I will go to map supplier option. If you haven't created the supplier account yet, then you can create a new account as well from here. You just have to add the GST number. You can see the GST number over here. Add the GST number of the party and directly create the supplier. Or if you want to add the supplier details, you can add it from here as well. So you just go to this option, click on the save button, and the party account will get created. After that, we can import this purchase bill. So now I have the party account. I will go to the option. I will select the supplier. I will click on the option of map supplier. Then whatever items are present in my purchase bills and whatever item I have in my database, I can do mapping for them. So the item name in my supplier invoice was Sham TMT Gold 550D. Luckily I have the same item created in my software by the same name. But if in case your item name is different, for the first time you will need to do this mapping of item. Next time the supplier will issue me same voucher, same bill, so I buy same item from him, I don't have to do any mapping. Automatically the voucher will get created in the software. So I click on map item option and I update the map item and then I save this information. Once this is done, you will notice that the purchase window has got opened. Every detail is automatically coming in the voucher. My supplier name, the product name, whatever quantity item at whatever rate I purchased, that information has got fetched. Now I just have to click on the save button to save this transaction, and my purchase voucher and transaction is recorded. Next time if I receive same item from my same supplier, I don't have to do any mapping as well. Just I will upload the photograph or PDF of the voucher, and then my purchase will get auto entered. This feature is now live in Bookkeeper Windows, Android version as well as the web version. You can use similar option in BK Web as well. You can go to this option of BK AI, you can go to the upload scan bill option, just upload the image or PDF of the file and then click on upload bill option, and your purchase bills get auto entered from BK AI. So let us know in the comment section now what you think about this feature. Are you going to use it for your business to speed up your work? And for more such videos, please subscribe to the Bookkeeper channel. And if you have any queries regarding this feature, you can contact our support team on this number. Thank you.